Good morning. I'm going to show you how to access the lessons in lessons 1 through 5. You'll log in to your GDP. You'll go to Lessons, the Lessons tab. Unit 1. Click on Unit 1. You'll see that you have Lessons 1, Lesson 1 enrichment, Lesson 2, Lesson 2 enrichment, so on and so forth. Okay, Lesson 1 through 5 is Unit 1 in the book. Click on Lesson 1. This green mark that I have here shows that I've completed this lesson. Okay, so click on Lesson 1. It brings up all the sections within that lesson. Each green mark means that I've completed that section within the lesson. That's how you would tell if you've completed the lesson. Click on 1A. 1A basically just shows your fingering position, gives you what the home row is. Okay, so basically, and if you look at your book at this point, it will show you basically the same thing. If by chance you're working in Chrome and you don't see Next up here, click on the Maximize button and that will show you Next. Down here it also shows you Part 1, Unit 1, Lesson 1, and the page number. Depending on your printing issue, this may be a little off, but I believe most of them are current. Okay, so click Next. You'll get to 1B. It shows you the space bar and enter keys. That's right here. This is the space bar, and it tells you the difference between space bar and enter. Okay. Next. Okay, so now we're on page 4, lesson 1C, and it tells you type each line one time pressing the space bar, where you see a space, and pressing the enter key at the end of each line indicated by the backward arrow. Tap enter 2 times indicated by the 2 the 2 enter marks to insert a blank line between each set of drills. Okay, so go to Next. Now at this point, what you would do is you would just type the drills. Okay, that mark there tells me I've struck the wrong key. So once I hit it, now I'm going to key enter, ASDF, JKL, ASDF, key, colon, ASDF, JKL. Enter, enter. Oh, a bit of an issue with that there, aren't I? Okay, now it tells me I have completed this exercise. Click Next to continue. Notice I'm on 1C. Correlates with your book. Next. Now it tells me 1D, the F and J keys. If you have your sound on, it will come up for you. And it gives you a demonstration. And you can click here to replay the demonstration. Okay. Click Next. And now you just go through the sections. Okay. Some of these can seem mundane, repetitive, boring, but this will get you to where you are learning to key accurately and pick up your speed eventually. Okay, so I click that one, go on to the next. Again, it gives me a demonstration, which fingers to use, and then you go through. Okay, so keep going through, and it does it for all of these. It gives me a demonstration. All right, for all of these, you can see, okay, this is your backspace key. Last character you type. So all these gives you a definition. Word building. This is where it becomes a little different because it's not on your monitor. Where you go for the word building is on page 5. Again, look down here. Page 5, lines 14 through 17. So in your book, on page 5, it will show that you have these word building. What it does is it just gives you a letter. Okay, and you just keep going through. Then you hit enter. D, da, dad, F, land. Alright, then 2 enters, and then continue with them. Okay, click done. If you decide to just not move on or not finish the lesson, this will come up. You need to continue the exercise. Okay, in our case, I'm just going to proceed to the next one. Timed writing. All right, what you're going to do is take 2 1-minute timed writings each time. All right, so you'll go to your book, you'll look at this, take the 2-minute, it's Ask a Sad Lad. Once you start, Ask a Sad Lad, it just goes through a fall, bad, add a jack, salad, a lad. Keep going. Ask a sad lad. Oops. A fall fad. Add a jack salad. A lad. Ask. Don't hit enter. Just let word wrap work for you. Alright? So you keep typing until the timer runs out. I'm going to change that. You should not be able to backspace on these timed writings. It makes you a better typist. Alright, and then it shows you which ones that you have wrong. This little dot means that it has a space in there. So they probably did want you to hit enter at the end of each one of these. And did it say to enter? Aha! RTSS, read the stupid screen. So I should have hit enter at each one of these. And then do your next attempt. I'm just going to move on. All right. Then you'll go to the enrichment section. So that's how you navigate. In the enrichment section, it's 1A, B, 2, and C. Say I typed all those, then you'll go to lesson 2. Same process. Okay? Hope this helps.